Hola, hello. Welcome back to Color and Canvas. As you can see, we're having fun with paint today. And this is my last pour of the day, and I didn't want to set up my table for another one, so I just took this canvas that I scraped from a pour that didn't work out, plunk it in the middle of the puddles, and let's pour some paint on it and see whether we can get one good thing for the end of the day. What are we using? Well, I mixed up some Amsterdam paints. This is Amsterdam Primary Magenta. I put in a little bit of Floetrol, a lot of water to get it to a very thin consistency. I also have the same with Primary Yellow, Primary Cyan, and these are just some mixed golds that I had that I also mixed very, very thin. And I have my Amsterdam Oxide Black as well. And let's pour some of these down and see what we can do with them. I have a white base coat. This white has been really misbehaving for me. So I'm kind of glad that I'm almost done with it, so that I don't have to deal with its strange things that it does. But it's mixed. I have it today, so I'm using it right now. It's been swallowing up all my other colors. And so I want to see what will happen if we try this. All right, that's good enough. This is kind of an experiment, so I'm not agonizing over whether it's going to be perfect. Just want to see how these colors handle this particular paint. When you're mixing up different brands of paint, here I am in Mexico and I don't have access to everything that I had access to back home in Canada. So there's a little chemistry involved with some of the paints that I'm using. All right, so we have our little 6x6 canvas, I believe it is. I'm just going to pour some puddles in here. I'm going to do it a little bit differently. Actually, I'm going to do this. I'm going to put a lot of color down, but I'm only going to put a little bit of blue. Not too much blue. I'm going to put more yellow. Just kind of let it go all the way out here. And I'm going to put a lot of our gold right here. And in the corner, I'm going to use this thinned out oxide black, which generally people use, or commonly, not generally, commonly people will use for a bloom. And I thought, why don't we use that in this pour? Let's see what happens. Here we go. Look what happened. It's gorgeous. That's what happened. The magic of the oxide black. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that. I'm touching that up. I don't want those white dots here. I want this black to be on its own. So many beautiful, beautiful cells. And the white has mixed in with the yellow, and it's kind of creamy. And the gold is making all those cells. Oh, I'm so happy. So happy with the way this one turned out. I want to touch up my corners because I didn't take great care with them before. And now that it looks pretty, I do want the corners to look nice. So I will get them looking good. All right. It's always nice to end a painting session on a high note. All right. Thanks for watching. As always, we always appreciate it. I hope you love this as much as I do. Funny, the little ones that you do right at the end of the day are sometimes the ones where just magic happens. I love it. This will be a fun one to embellish too. Anyways, go paint something beautiful, have some fun, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.